Take a ride in 2006 Dakota. The Dodge Dakota combines form, function, and fun. With its rugged style, well-rounded capability, and seating for 6, the Dakota brings you the ultimate mid-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, front disc rear drum brakes, tires, rear on-off-road, privacy glass, fog lamps, tires, front on-off-road, variable speed, intermittent wipers, keyless entry. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.